Trying to install an Underglow today. Got the car jacked up. I'm not sure how the hell we're gonna do this, but we're gonna figure it out. These are the strips that's about to go on both sides. This man hood keep falling down, so we gotta keep doing this. We're gonna somehow fish the wires through here, which is not impossible, but it's gonna be a little work. All right, now what you said?
I'm saying, so you gotta hook this up to the battery or whatever, but somehow I'm gonna probably delete some of this wire, so just fold it, you know, nice and neat, put it all together, so it can be nice and tight. Then I gotta get this and mount it up to here. Probably just M3 tape it there so that it won't be in the way. I can still take off the box. It's functional. Unwrap this wire here, so that all this wire can drop down. And that wire should be long enough. And if I have any excess wire, just fold it up nice and neat, tape it to the bottom of the car. That's pretty much it. So it should be easy to install. Just tedious. It should probably take a while. But first, we go get some soap and water to clean the bottom of that stuff, bottom of the car. So that's what I'm gonna go do real quick. Hell yeah.
I don't know if we're actually supposed to be wiping this down, but just for the tape purposes, to make it stick, we gonna wipe all the dirt off. You don't have to do it, but if your lights, you know, decide to fall off, don't blame me. Alright, so this is all wiped down. You can still see a little bit of dirt, but you can see it changed colors, and we're gonna let it air dry. It's only gonna take a little while, because can you see how it's changed over here? It's a little dirty still, but you know, nothing, a little bit more elbow grease won't hurt, you know. Let it air dry. You got the other side already. You can probably see how dirty my Jeep is. Alright.
I'm just M3 taping everything.
So we got the lights underneath the car now. So this one is gonna be over there. So what we're gonna do is hook this up to this and zip tie it somehow to the top so it can reach over here. I know it's very hard to move around up in here, so you can't really see well, but you'll understand when I do it. All right, I did that, and this is the final product. Those lights are gonna be over there. Yeah, right. Gotta get from underneath this car because it's dangerous.
I think I need to take my gloves off for this. Fuck it. I want to swap the dead in the middle.
You start from, let me see.
I think.
You see where that little rigid part is out over there?
Right here?
Yeah. And then you come to this one right here.
I'm going to try and get it even in between both. All right.
You got it?
Yep.
Somebody said steal it, thunder?
Huh?
We have to put this onto here, like this one. You just hook anything up to your battery, you know, you don't need it. Fuck your battery, you know? That's what I say. You said edit that out, we don't need to see all that? about to say, why is it not gripping?
Alright.
Hold that. That ain't all the way out. Ah, shit! No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing, y'all.
Nah, shit. Just go. You remember that time we was at Enterprise and we was charging that battery? We put the jumper cables on backwards and the battery started smoking. That was funny as fuck.
Who came over there and looked at us and was like, that's not right.
Right, yeah. We was like, this battery is supposed to smoke.
We was like, yeah, we charging it right.
Yep. That battery gonna be full. My skills with a hand tool is fucking terrible.
You saw what I was just doing?
You saw what I was just doing.
If you could hear the background music, today is Saturday, which means you gotta play old person. You gotta ride with all the windows down and play old school music in your loud vehicle. You gotta screw it.
Well, we got everything on. The lights work. They look nice. Now we just have to clean everything up. Sorry about my hood. It's kind of windy out here. Gotta clean up all the wires, zip tie everything together, electrical tape, so everything can be nice and neat. So we won't get it caught up on these New Orleans streets.
I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. Alright, that's the Bluetooth receiver right here. And I'm going to zip tie through that hole into this hole right here. And I'm going to do it on this side also. Well, you can see it through that hole right there. Right here. Alright, we are finally complete. Took us about an hour just by the zip ties alone, as you can see. Picked up most of them, but this is the final product. Everything is zip tied, you know. You wrap that around all under here. He threw the scissors in the trash apparently. He taped that up right there for some reason. I don't know why. He likes electrical tape. And you can see this little ball right here. Oh, right there. There you go. It's all wrapped up. And it's working just fine now. Tonight I'll show y'all the rest. Get from under here. If you need us to do your lights, it's gonna be some monies. We'll discuss payment depending on how much you want to need. And we don't do good jobs, so you keep that in mind. You can kind of see it hitting the ground. I don't know if it's picking it up, but you know, tonight I'll show y'all just a little bit more. You can see a little bit of color, but you know, not too much on camera. I convinced him to let me swing it one time, for the one time, you know. I'm about to post that right. final product. This is how I look at night.